We are by the LA Marathon finish line. See cops, more cops over there in that van, and there's a bomb uh, sniffing dog, a bomb sniffer dog. We had kind of like had to get out of his way because he was doing his job, keeping us safe. That's the finish line towers. This is like 6:30 in the morning. That's finished, and then we're gonna head back to the car. So that's the sniffing dog and the cops checking us, keeping us safe. Come on, guys, let's go back. This is Century City, the finish line of the LA Marathon. The runners are gonna walk through here when they finish that way. And then there's the Macy's building, and it has a mini finish line tower, as you can tell. Finish A6 LA Marathon finish. This is by the Finch doesn't like crowds, so he's kind of like hyperactive right now, thinking, who the hell are these people walking around at 6:20 in the morning? See, everybody is coming here to wait to for the marathon finishers. There's, and then people on bikes. So everybody's enjoying the streets now that are closed. And this is the buildings. So we're going back to the car now. We accomplished our goal for today. One of the goals, because normally we have many goals. This is what the finish line look like. Lots of police presence, which is awesome. We don't want to have anything to any they're keeping us safe. So we're heading back to the car. Nice building. And then lots of people going close to the finish line to wait for their loved ones. All right, talk to you soon.